शाराचो ओडीपी करचे पयलीं टावन प्लॅनिंग कायद्या प्रमाण थळावी सवरान संस्था, पालिका आनी महापालिके विश्वासांत घेवपाचें आसता. पूण सरकारान सीसीपीच्या दोळ्या आड पणजेचो ओडीपी ड्राफ्ट करून नोटिफाय केलो. पूण महापौर धरून 15 जाण हायकोर्टात गेल्यात. हायकोर्टान सरकाराक नोटीस काडल्या.
Writ petition challenging ODP Panji 2021 in the High Court of Mumbai, Goa. The High Court has issued notice to NGPDA and the government returnable after 2 weeks. I have just distributed the petition filed by us. CCP wants to send a strong message to the outgoing government that they arrest our panel for 3 years. 2 years and I was the mayor and this is the 3rd year. All our development were blocked. They took CCP for granted. They would not take us into confidence for development. This development was kept aside and they went ahead with ODP without even taking the permission from CCP. This is the first CCP in the whole of India, corporation, which has been undermined by this government. Nowhere in India anything is done without the concurrence of the urban local body. We have filed this petition. The High Court has sent notice to the NGPDA and to the government, returnable in 2 weeks' time. We are confident that we have full faith in the judiciary. We are confident that the High Court will give a befitting reply to the NGPDA and to the government for bypassing the corporate city of Panji.
ओडीपी सध्या वादग्रस्त आशिल्ल्यान केसीचो निकाल लाग मेरेन नवे ओडीपी प्रमाण नव्या कन्स्ट्रक्शनाक मान्यताय दिवची न्ही म्हूण महापालिकेन हायकोर्टाचो अंतरीम आदेश मागलो. मात कोर्ट तयार जाली ना. प्लान पास करपाचो अधिकार स्वता महापालिकेक आशिल्ल्यान अशा आदेशाची गरज ना म्हूण सांगून हायकोर्टान अंतरीम आदेश दिवंक न्हयकार दिलो. हायकोर्टान 2 सप्तकां भितर सरकारची जाप मागल्या. आतां ही केस 23 फेब्रुवारीक हायकोर्टा मुखार येतली. पुणेंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.